I'm playing Minecraft today with Mochi here. Mochi is not good at playing Minecraft. She died. This is my doggy. I don't know what I'm gonna name him yet. I don't know what his name is yet. I'm gonna go to sleep outside if you wanna go to sleep. Oh my god, Monty, you got a taco painting? Let me get this out. Oh my god, just turn all the volume down. Sorry. Okay. Oh, can I not take the painting now? I'm a ninja. Ninjas don't take paintings out. But let's introduce ourselves. Here's what I see your painting. I cannot see your face.
Hey, no, don't do that.
I'm dashing. Let's skip that part. Don't think about it. And now yes, this is me. This is me, Alvaro. That's cool. I'm gonna kill Monty on the top.